Hello students, hope you all are doing good. So students, today we are going to do some work in our cursive workbook. Okay, so open page number 10 of your cursive workbook. Okay, all the students. So first of all, take on this green square, it is for classwork. Okay, and here you all have to write today's date. Then here you all have to write your name. Okay students, so in this page you can see some cursive letters are written. Here you can see capital I in cursive, capital J in cursive, capital K in cursive and capital L in cursive. Okay, so today we will learn how we will write these letters in cursive. Okay, all the students. So first is capital I for ice cream. So how we will write? First we will trace this dotted I. Okay, with the help of this dotted I we can easily learn how we have to write this capital I in cursive. Okay, so let's start. First here you can see one dot is given, blue dot. So start from here only. First we will move left side, then we will move upwards and we will touch with this red line. Okay, then we will move downwards and little bit slanting line we will draw like this. Then we will touch with this blue line and we will turn like this. Okay, so this is capital I in cursive. Here again we will write, first we will move left side, then upwards, then we will draw little bit slanting line, then we will turn like this. Again left, upwards, then downwards and turn. Left side, upwards, downwards and turn. Again left side, upwards, then downwards and turn. Again you will have to write like this. Okay, so this is capital I in cursive. Okay, all the students. Now come to the next. It is capital J in cursive. Okay, all the students. So let's start. First we will start from here, this green dot. First left side, then upwards, then downwards, then touch with this red line. Okay, then turn and leave it like this. Okay, this is capital J in cursive. Again we will write, move left side, then upwards, then downward, then touch with this red line, then turn and leave it like this. Okay, it is J for joker. So write it like this. Okay, all the letters should be touched with these lines. Okay, proper lines you all have to write. Left, then upwards, then downwards, then turn and leave it like this. Again you all have to write like this. Okay, all the students. This is capital J in cursive. Now come to the next. It is capital K in cursive. Okay, so let's start writing with me. First we will trace this dotted K. Okay, so first start from this green dot. First move upwards, then downwards and draw one standing line, then turn. Okay, then nobody will leave the pencil, come from here and move upwards like this. Okay, don't leave your pencil. Then again downwards, then again downwards like this. Okay, nobody will write like this. It is not the correct method. Okay, nobody will like this. It is not the correct method. Okay, write it properly. Now come here. Here also we will write, move upwards, then downwards, then turn. Then again move upwards, then downwards, then turn and again downwards. Okay, here also we will write, move upwards, then downwards, then turn, then move upwards, then downwards, again downwards and turn. Okay, here also Write like this. Okay, this is capital K in cursive. Okay, all the students. Here also we will write capital K in cursive. Okay students, so write like this only. Now come to the next. It is capital L in cursive. Okay, all the students. So first we will draw this dotted L. L for lion. So first we will start from here. Move upwards, then turn. Okay, then move downwards and draw one slanting line. Okay, then touch with this blue line. Then we have to turn and again move downwards and touch with this blue line and leave it like this. Okay, all the students, here also move upwards, then turn, then slanting line, then again turn and leave it like this. Okay, here also draw like this. Move upwards, turn, downwards, turn again and leave it like this. Okay, do the more practice of this cursive writing, all the students. Okay, so write it like this. So you all have to do this page in the same manner. And now come to the page number 11. This is page number 11. Tick on this red square. It is for homework. Write here date, and here again you all have to write your name. Okay students, it is for homework. Okay, so do this page as a classwork and do this page as a homework. Okay, and you all have to do these two pages with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.